Today, we will create 100% free AI videos, unlimited. This trick is the best for you to make unlimited trending AI videos for free. Just look at this channel called Science AI Master. They have posted only 107 videos, but already have 931K subscribers. You can check their videos. They are high quality, viral, and many of them have millions of views. You can also create videos like this very easily. I will explain the complete course and guide you step by step. Watch the full video carefully and don't miss any part. Let's start creating unlimited AI videos completely free. If you leave this video even for 1 minute, you might miss the one secret that can completely change your channel forever. So stay till the end. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. First, open the channel for the type of videos you want to create. Then, use the snipping tool to crop the image according to the style you want. After cropping, save the image on your computer. Next, open ChatGPT. Upload the image that you cropped and saved using the snipping tool. After uploading the image, simply write this prompt. I want to create images exactly like this. Please give me a 6-image prompt and also a story. Remember, the character should be exactly like this. After a short time, ChatGPT will give you the prompt and the story. You will see that ChatGPT can easily create a very good prompt and story for you. Just make sure to watch the complete video carefully. After that, you can ask me to give you another story and prompt. ChatGPT can generate many more for you. By using this method, you can easily create many AI videos and generate images without any difficulty. Your story and prompt will be ready to use. Next, Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. Its updated version is now available, and you can check it yourself. First, open Leonardo.ai, then set the image size to 9:16 and select Phoenix 1.0 as the model. After that, paste your prompt there. In a short time, the image will start generating. You can paste your prompts one by one. After adding all your prompts, you will see that amazing images have been created. This is how you can easily create AI images on Leonardo.ai. You can copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them there one by one. When the images are ready, simply download the one you like the most. Leonardo.ai is a powerful AI image generation platform that enables users to create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Designed for artists, designers, and creators, it helps produce concept art, game assets, posters, and both realistic and fantasy-style images in no time. With its advanced AI models. In this way, all the images will be ready. You can see that the images turned out amazing. If you want, I can help you organize all the prompts neatly so you can just copy-paste them into your description. Next, we will create an AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It's one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free at Unlimited AI Tools. You can also create free AI images there, but here we are focusing on voice generation. If you can't find the tool, just comment, and I will give you the link so you can use it for free. It gives daily free credits so you can generate AI voices regularly. Here's how it works. Open the AI text-to-speech generator. Copy the ChatGPT prompt and paste it into the tool. Select any voice you like. For example, Blaze Alex is considered one of the best voices, but for practice, you can choose any voice. Click Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your text is longer, divide it into parts and generate them separately, then combine them to make the complete voice. Once the voice is generated, you can listen to it.
A little green leaf believed every ingredient had a purpose. One day, the happy grocery bag arrived at the village market, carrying fresh...
The AI voice is ready, and now we can move on to creating an AI video. The first website I want to tell you about is Digen.ai. It's an amazing platform for AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 credits, which is enough to create about 10 videos. After that, it provides daily credits so you can keep making AI videos easily. Right now, I have 2,600 plus credits on my account because this ID has been logged in for a long time. This allows me to create a lot of videos without worrying about running out of credits. If you want to create many AI videos, Degen.ai is perfect. The best part is that even if you don't use it every day, it will still give you daily credits automatically, just like my account. This makes it very convenient for consistent AI video creation. Now, we will create an AI video on Degen.ai. This is a very good website for AI video creation. Click Create and go to Upload. First, upload the image you want to use. Then, copy and paste the first prompt into the prompt section and click Generate. The video will start being created. Next, upload the second image and paste the corresponding prompt. Click Generate again, and the second part of the video will start. This process takes a little time, but in this way, you can create 2 AI videos. Each video can be 10-15 minutes long, depending on your content. You can repeat this for more images and prompts to make longer or multiple AI videos easily. The second website for creating AI videos is pixar-style. This is a very good website for AI video creation. Pixar-style also gives daily credits, but sometimes you need to earn additional credits. You can get free credits in several ways. Click Earn Credit on the website. Daily login to get credits. Watch short ads. Usually 3 ads unlock some credits. Download and rate their app. Invite someone to the platform to earn more credits. I earned 4340 credits using these methods, which is enough to make multiple videos. Here's how to create a video. Upload your image to the platform and select it. Then, paste your prompt into the prompt section. Click Generate, and the AI video will start being created. You can repeat this process with another image and prompt to make a second video. The videos turn out very good, and you can create them for free. Using Degen.ai and pixar-style, you can easily make high-quality AI videos without spending money. For the final video editing, I will use CapCut. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will edit the video, add effects, and make it complete. Now the video is ready, and you can see the results. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, you can message me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks again for watching.